What's up, Sun Raes? Welcome back to my channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today is going to be part 2 of trying out the Nature's Little Secret Okra Curl Defining Gel. And if you saw my very first video on this, I'll link it here. If you haven't, I tried out the gel using it exactly how she said to use it. And that was with an oil. Now, she did say the oil was optional, so she didn't say you had to use the oil. But I did want to try it with the oil to give you guys who like oils an opportunity to see how it worked on my hair with oils. So I'm using this Okra Defining Gel with a leave-in as well as an oil in this video. So if you are someone who loves oils, go ahead and take a look at that video and check it out. Now I am going to use it as I would use it myself without oils, because I'm not someone who normally will put an oil on my hair between a leave-in and a gel. I used to do that. I don't see anything wrong with it. I just don't feel that I need to do that anymore. So I quit doing that a long time ago. Guys, I do have on something under this robe, just so you know. I mean, I do have something on, but for some reason I can't find my belt to this robe. But anyway, I don't want to belabor the point. Now, she did say to do this, to use this gel on soaking wet hair, so I am straight from under the dryer. I already have my leave-in in my hair. As you can see some of it in my hair. My leave-in of choice again was the avocado moisture cream from Nature's Little Secret as well. So again, I'm using all Nature's Little Secrets products for this video. This cream is pretty much gone. It looks white down here because I had to take this off and bang it out. So there may be just like maybe a little bit in there. So you'll be seeing this in the empties really soon. I love that moisture cream. If you haven't tried it, I suggest that you give it a try. I do have a discount code to Nature's Little Secret. I'll leave it here on the screen for you to save some money if you want to try it out. Now, I am going to be honest with you. I am an affiliate with Nature's Little Secret. That is how I'm able to offer you a discount code. However, I am still going to bring you my honest thoughts and opinions on these products, as well as any other products that I show on my channel. So I do want to let you know that. And most of you already know that. You've been with me long enough to know that. But if there's any new viewers here, I do want to let you know that this will be an honest assessment of this gel, using it without the oils. So I am going to take a little bit of the gel and apply it to my hair and rake it through. I'll get a little bit extra and put it on these ends and rake it through. I went over the specs of this gel in the previous video, so if you are wanting to know the specs and all of that of the gel, go check it out. What I will say about it is like a cream gel. I at least will show you the texture. So it's kind of like a cream gel. I love the texture of it. It smells really good. It smells somewhat, I wasn't able to put my finger on it last time, but it smells really good and sweet to me. It kind of smells like a powder, you know, a cottony smell, maybe a fresh lime. I don't know. It smells good. It's hard to say. It's a soft, sweet, subtle scent, maybe cotton candy-ish, but it smells really good. So I will tell you that if you want to know ingredients and all that stuff, go to their website, because the ingredients that are listed on the jar are a little bit different than what's on the website. The website is the accurate list. An updated label will be coming shortly, so that's why I'm not going to go over the ingredients again, because I don't have the website pulled up. So I'm just applying this to my hair, and you guys have seen me apply. If you haven't, basically I just rake and smooth. Sometimes I'll coil like this, where my hair naturally separates. I don't really call it shingling, because shingling, sometimes people are taking really small sections and smoothing it and all that. I'm not trying to do that. I'm basically just trying to coil my ends up together to protect them. So if they rub on my clothes and stuff like that, they're somewhat hugging each other and kind of protected. It's not one strand alone. And to me, I feel like coating my ends with the gel, coating my ends with a cream, if I'm doing you know, a twist out or whatever, helps me to alleviate single strand knots and split ends. That's just how I feel. So anyway, so guys, this is what I'm doing. I'm going to pretty much do this all around my head, and you guys can just watch.
Keep breaking necks when you passing them by. Make sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight, and I will let you make up your mind. But I can't wait. Where you coming over? Let me be your chauffeur, baby. I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over. Drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur. Can't recall when you came through that door, yeah. Glowing like a headlight, independent all the way, got her bread right, yeah. Hard to ignore, sexy body make a jaw hit the floor. Won't you come over now? Just let me hold you down. Nothing else matching your type, nothing else matching your type, yeah. Oh, I feel the magic in the air. When you give me a taste, I swear. When you give me a taste, let me take it over. Drive it like a chauffeur. I will let you make up your mind, but I can't wait. When you coming over, let me be your chauffeur, baby. I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over. Drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur. I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out.
Okay guys, I'm done applying the product to my hair, so it is all applied. Again, it does have a fluffy look. I will say that I feel like I was a little bit more heavy-handed this time, because when I tried it the first time, I was so worried about, oh, I don't want to get flakes, I don't want to get flakes, so I was using a lot less. Because I didn't get flakes this time, I think I just kind of let that out the window, and I was like, I'm just gonna apply like I normally apply, and I just be, which probably is not the best thing to do. So I may have applied more than what I actually needed to, so hopefully I won't get flakes this time. But yeah, I used quite a bit. Before I said I had used like to here, so I thought I probably would use maybe to here this time, half, and then still have another, or a little more than half, and still have a little enough for another chance, because I think I said I could get maybe 3 uses out of this. I thought I said maybe I said 2.5, I don't know, and maybe it is 2.5 if that's what I said, because I dug down more on one side, but theirs it's about right to here on this side, but it's dug down in the middle or whatever. So who knows? I don't know if that's enough for a whole another wash and go or not. Just being honest, I used more than what I had intended to. So I did not add any extra water to my hair. My hair was soaking wet. out of the shower. You saw me wiping my face a little bit. Last time I think I sprayed, you know, I kept misting my hair because it said to use on soaking wet hair. But I wanted to see how it worked without me having to re-spray. So my hair did stay pretty wet. It wasn't dripping the whole time, but it was soaking wet right out of the shower. So we'll see how that works. So yes, I'm gonna sit under my hooded dryer and I'll be back to show you the results. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I am back and I must confess it is the next day. I got from under the dryer yesterday and I was just hot. It was a little bit later in the day. So, and my hair was still just a little bit wet right here, but I really didn't want to diffuse it and put any extra heat on it. So I just went on and just left it to air dry overnight. And then I stretched it out this morning. So this is what it looks like, guys. And I like it. I like the definition. I like the clumpage even after I've stretched it. I like the fluffiness of it. I have not picked it at all. All I did was stretched it. So it is quite fluffed out even though I haven't picked it. It feels soft. It does feel like there's a hold, but it is soft. Again, not overly shiny, but it looks healthy. So I'm really liking this Okra Curl Defining Gel. There are no flakes, so you can see that even though I was a little heavy-handed, I still didn't get flakes. I don't feel like you have to use as much as I used in regards to this gel to get, you know, some hold and some definition. That's just my thoughts on it. But if you do end up using just a tad bit too much, I think you'll still be safe and won't get any flakes. But again, I've only used it with her own leave-in. I haven't used it with any other leave-in, so I can't speak to whether you would get flakes if you used a different brand leave-in. I don't know, but using her avocado moisture cream, it gives you great results. Now, if you remember, this one is a wash and go without the oil in between. And the last one, and I'll put it right here, is the one that had the oil on it. I like both of them. My hair looked good in both. I think I may have stretched my hair a little bit more in that one than I did in this one, but my hair looks good both ways in my opinion. So it's just going to depend on you, what you are used to and what you like. I do feel like it doesn't have that oily feel from the oil in my hair now, but I also feel like if I had to use the oil in between, so say I was using this combination in the winter, needed a little bit extra you know, moisture to be held into my hair or something like that, I wouldn't be opposed to putting the oil in between. So if you are someone who likes oils, I think it will work for you with the oil. If you don't necessarily like oils, you'll see that it will still work for you without the oils. I think I did say that there is a small cast, not real crunchy or anything, but there is a cast that you will feel on your hair. I feel like it's easily broken if you were to put oil on top, or if you were to stretch it with heat. I think you could easily break that cast, whether you want to or not, you know, strictly up to you. But guys, yes, I have used it both ways. I like it. Have not used it with the banana, her banana leave-in, and I want to try it that way as well because she said it works with that too, and I believe her. I think that it would work with that. I just want to compare the moisture levels between the banana one and this avocado cream. I don't have a lot left, so I do feel like I was a little heavy-handed with this. So right now I'm gonna say that I could get 2.5 uses out of this 8-ounce jar, but remember, she is going to be coming out with a 12-ounce jar, so that's going to give you a little bit more uses. And again, if you're not as heavy-handed as I am, this 8-ounce jar definitely will go further for you. And if your hair is a little bit thinner, you know, finer, then you probably you definitely wouldn't need to use as much as I use. So take that into consideration. But guys, yes, I like this gel. Oh my gosh, I I love a cream gel anyway. I love a cream gel or creamy like custard. So this is right up there with one of my other favorites that you saw on my channel recently. So if you just go back a couple videos, you'll know what I'm talking about. But guys, this is good. This is good. So again, I'm gonna leave my discount code here. If you are wanting to try this cream, if you're wanting to try this gel, then I suggest you go down into my description box, click that link, and make sure you use this discount code to save 15% off of your products at Nature's Little Secret. And guys, I wouldn't steer you wrong. You know, listen, affiliate or not, I'm not gonna steer you wrong. This is good. No flakes, hold, definition, you know, good ingredients. Yeah, I'm not gonna steer you wrong. So anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.